Hey learners, Pranshi Verma this side. Welcome to my channel guys. In today's video, we are going to learn Entrepreneurship Development Program, Model Question Paper, Multiple Choice Question and Answer guys. They are very important for your upcoming examination as well as अपनी subject के theoretical part पर भी please focus कीजिए because आप जानते हैं multiple choice question and answer जो pattern है अभी हाल ही में arise हुआ है. सो आपको अगर थ्योरी क्लियर होगी तो आप इजीली मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर भी कर पाएंगे. ओके, सो स्टार्ट करते हैं इसी के साथ आज का वीडियो. इन दिस योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट एग्जिस्ट फॉर स्टार्टअप्स इन इमर्जिंग इंडस्ट्रीज. ऑप्शन ए, consolidating the industry and establish industry leadership as a result of doing so. Option B, winning customers by placing and emphasize on service and process innovation. Option C, pursuing a niche strategy that focuses on a narrow segment of the industry. And option D is capturing a first mover advantages. Okay, according to this, right answer is option D, capturing a first mover advantages. Okay, next question. Which of the following are the main components of an industry target market feasibility analysis? Option A, industry status and target market status. Option B, industry attractiveness and target market attractiveness. Option C, industry sufficiency and target market demand. Option D, industry attractiveness and product service demand. Right answer is option C, industry sufficiency and target market demand. Next question. The majority of Americans work for option A, individual franchise. Option B, small businesses. Option C, large corporation. Option D, sole proprietorship. Right answer is option B, small businesses. Okay. So next question. What are the two types of disruptive business models? Option A, high-end and low-end. Option B, new product and new market. Option C, new market and low-end. Option D, new channel and high quality. Okay, right answer is option C, new market and low-end. Next question. Blank space research consists of data that has been collected by the person completing the analysis. Then blank space research uses data that has been collected previously. Option A, secondary and primary. Option B, primary and secondary. Option C, indirect and direct. And option D, direct indirect. So here right answer is option B, primary and secondary. Next question. The most essential role of the executive summary in the business plan is to option A, describe the company's goal in detail. Option B, explain the business plan's objectives in detail. Option C, identify the means by which company performance will be measured. Option D, attract investors. Right answer is option D, attract investors. Next question. Which form of business organization combines the advantages of a partnership and a C corporation? Option A, subchapter S corporation. Option B, limited partnership. Option C, journal partnership. Option D, sole proprietorship. Right answer is second one, limited partnership. Okay, next question. The price of prescription medicine is high partly because when someone is sick there is no real attractive to buying medicine. Which of Porter's 5 forces explain how the aspect of the prescriptions medicine industry helps keep its profitability high? Option A, rivalry among existing firms. Option B, threat of new entrants. Option C, threat of substitutes. Option D, bargaining power of buyers. Right answer is option C, threat of substitutes. Okay, next question. Blank space costs remain the same despite the volume of goods or services produced. Then blank space Cost vary proportionally with the volume of goods or services provided. Option A, expenses non-standard. Option B, standard non-standard. Option C, fixed variable. Option D, non-standard and standard. Okay, according to this, right answer is option C, fixed and variable. So fixed costs remain the same despite the volume of goods or services produced, and variable costs vary proportionally with the volume of goods or service provided. Okay, next question. Which type of business plan is intended as the blueprint of a company's activities and is directed to an internal audience? Option A, operations. Option B, full. Option C, summary. Option D, tactical. Right answer is option A, operational. Okay, so operational type of business plan is intended as the blueprint of a company's activities and is directed to an internal audience. Next question. A blank space partnership is a modified form of a journal partnership. Option A, joint. Option B, limited. Option C, partial. Option D, mutual. Right answer is option B, limited. Next question. Which sectors of the business plan focuses on the specific segment or target market of an industry to which the firm will try to appeal? Option A, current status. Option B, market analysis. Option C, company summary. Option D, operations plan. Okay, so right answer is option B, market analysis. Next question. A of n blank space director on a board of directors is not employed by the firm. Option A, outside. Option B, inside. Option C, external. Option D, impartial. Okay, right answer is option A, outside. Okay, so A of an outside director on a board of directors is not employed by the firm. Next question. What are the primary financial objectives of any firm? Option A, efficiency, effectiveness, strength and flexibility. Option B, efficiency, effectiveness, power and success. Option C, liquidity, control, effectiveness and power. Option D, liquidity, profitability, efficiency and stability. Right answer is option D, liquidity, profitability, efficiency and stability. Next question. Which type of financial statement projects the firm's financial situation in the future based on current trends and assumptions? Option A, chronological. Option B, pro forma. Option C, concurrent. Option D, historical. Right answer is option B, pro forma. Next question. The statement of cash flows is divided into blank space activities. Option A, profitability, stability and investing. Option B, stability, earning and financing. Option C, pending, earning and capital. Option D, operating, investing and financing. Right answer is option D, operating, investing and financing. Okay. Next question. The difference between sales revenue and cost of goods sold is known as the option A, net profit. Option B, debt. Option C, breakdown even point. Option D, gross profit or gross margin. According to this, right answer is option D, gross profit or gross margin. Next question. The most common way to compute the cost of sales is to use the percent of sales method, which expressed each expenses items as a percentage of option A, net sales. Option B, gross profit. Option C, net income. Option D, operating income. Okay. Right answer is option A, net sales. Next question. What are the primary reasons that startups need funding? Option A, cash flows challenge, capital investment and lengthy product development cycles. Option B, business research, cash flow challenge and costs associated with building a brand. Option C, bonuses for members of the new venture team, legal fees and lengthy product development cycle. And option D is attorney fees, capital investments and marketing research. Okay, so right answer is option A. So cash flow challenges, capital investments, and lengthy product development cycle. Okay, next question. An entrepreneur who starts a business without external funding is utilizing a technique referred to as option A, networking, option B, capitalizing, option C, prospecting, option D, bootstrapping. Okay, right answer is option D, bootstrapping. Next question. The 4 P's of a firm's marketing mix consist of option A, product, price, promotion and place. Option B, passion, pride, principle and premium. Option C, parity, passion, product and pay. Option D, place, promotion, passion and performance. Okay, right answer is option A, product, price, promotion and place. Next question. Value-based pricing takes a blank space oriented approach. Option A, product. Option B, company. Option C, customer. Option D, cost. Right answer is option C, customer. Okay, so value-based pricing takes a customer-oriented approach. Next question. What are the 3 types of patents? Option A, manufacturing, process and plant. Option B is usefulness, purpose, genetic. Option C, explicit, implicit, plant. Option D, utility, design and plant. Right answer is option D, utility, design and plant. Next question. A, blank space. Franchise is an arrangement in which the franchisor grants to the franchise the right to buy its products and use its trade name. Option A, product and trademark. Option B, product extension. Option C, business format. Option D, production plus. Right answer is option A, product and trademark. Okay, next question. Companies often falter because the founders can't adjust quickly enough to their new roles and because the firm lacks a trade record with outside buyers and sellers. This is referred to as the option A, innovator's affliction. Option B, creator's dilemma. Option C, liability of newness. Option D, burden of inexperience. Okay, right answer is option C, liability of newness. Okay, so this is right answer. Okay guys, now let's wind up this lecture. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Wish you very all the best for your examination. Bye bye.